People ask all the time that this only works when the sun's out. Well, take a look at this. Take a look at the sky. Absolutely disgusting at the moment. But it's still working. It's not full blast obviously, but it's doing something. Now you compare a brushless motor towards your neighbor's house here, you can see the difference in fan speed and the torque compared to just a standard wind turbine running off a ball bearing to a brushless Solar King motor. So it's already extracting, so excellent work.